the 2015 Volkswagen Beetle. This two-door, four-passenger convertible leads among competitors in its segment. Volkswagen made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Volkswagen prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power convertible roof, and a split-folding rear seat. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.